So you have the tri-fold mattress from Sweetnight. In this video, I'm going to go over the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and also share a couple things with this tri-fold mattress that's unique to it. I've reviewed a few of these, and this is a couple things that's different from the other ones I reviewed. So I'm going to let you know what that is as well in this video. But those questions I was seeing is, are the pieces removable? The second question I was seeing is this washable? And the third question was, is there fiberglass in it? So let's answer those questions. So the first question is these pieces removable? So yes, there's zippers on here. We can take off the pieces and they can all be separate. And that's something that's unique to this one that other tri-fold mattresses don't have, where they're all connected. But this one you can actually take it apart. So you can turn it into 3 separate pieces. So if you need 3 people to sit on it and they want their own little chair, you can do that and just separate it easily. And when you want to put it back together, you can just zip them back up and it's all folded together. And now for the second question is it washable? So yes, just like you can zip it apart, you can unzip the cloth that's over this and you can wash it if you need to wash it. So it is washable. And now for the third question is there fiberglass in it? So there is no fiberglass. So if that's a worry of yours, do not worry. There's no fiberglass in it. But overall, this is an awesome piece of little furniture. It is comfortable enough for an adult to sit in. I'm about a 6 foot, 200-pound adult. I can sit on this. I can lay on this. I actually had a video going in the corner where I do lay on it and it fits me perfectly. So if you're looking just for like an extra bed, if you have guests over or an extra gaming chair in your gaming room, this is something that's easy to bring out. It's got a handle so you can pick it up and carry it easy and put it away wherever you want to use it. So I think this is an awesome piece of furniture. Gets 2 thumbs up from me.